I just want to quickly show you guys how to set up the Brita water filter, because going through these instructions is completely time consuming. Inside the box you will get your jug and filter. This one especially came with 6 cartridges, which costs around £25 altogether. Right, first clean the jug and filter container with soapy water. Next, fill in the jug with tap water about halfway up. Next, place in the Brita cartridge inside the water. Give it a shake so the air bubbles are removed. Let it settle in for a few minutes. Now take the cartridge out and tip the water. Place in the filter container. Insert the Brita cartridge firmly inside. Add tap water and wait till it filters all the water. Tip the water. Fill it up. This procedure should be carried out twice for each and every Brita cartridge installed. Tip the water again. And finally you can fill up the jug again for it to be used as drinkable filtered water. Now the top lid contains a memory timer that lasts for 1 month, so you know when to change the cartridge. But it's not necessary to change every month. It can last up to 2 months depending upon usage. You will know when to change it when the water does not taste like filtered water anymore. For the timer, simply hold down on start and the 100% bar will show up. Now the Brita filter jug is all ready to be used. Enjoy.